I was born in Albania, a small country in Southeast Europe. When I was a little girl, I studied geography, and I only knew the world by maps. At the time, it was impossible to travel freely because of the political situation. In 1990, there are big changes around Europe. This change affected Albania too, and suddenly many people left my country. One day, me too, I was forced to leave my country, conquer the sea which separated me from the rest of the world. At the beginning, it wasn't easy, but slowly I began to see my dreams become true, meeting new people, visiting new countries, and trying to find a way to help people in difficulty through my work as a lawyer. I often stay with the immigrants who need my help because they want to live and work in Italy. I discovered they are very happy to change their lives as I have done. When I see their smiles, I feel so good. The women I meet come from different countries, but in the end, their story reminds me on my own, and I try to help them to overcome their fears. It's so nice to stay together and achieve our dreams. In the future, I would like to see the world in harmony, a place where there is a peaceful and where all the people live in happiness and prosperity. I hope that this is not only a dream,